What do you think about going all in on one stock or a few stocks? Because these days everything is changing and no investment is safe. No, please don't ever do that. Please don't ever put all your eggs in one basket, because I promise you, I got to get a book to show you here. If you do that and you make money one time, it's because you were fooled by randomness. I promise you it won't happen over and over and over again. And that's why you don't hear of anybody that's ever been successful as a day trader or a short-term investor that's still in business today. So no, please diversify. Please. You never know what can happen. You never know what can happen with any one particular company. There could be a lawsuit. A company's business model might change, or something might change. The company could get sued, or the CEO or founder could quit, or they could lose market share. There's so many things that could go wrong. Please don't ever do that. Don't ever just have a one stock portfolio. Ever. You're hurting yourself and your kids and your family longer term. Please diversify. And I teach about diversification in my complete personal finance course. Please check it out. As with all my courses, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, but please just don't do that. Don't ever invest in only one company. Okay, have many investments, and try to not have, as I mentioned earlier, more than 5% of your liquid net worth in any one particular investment. That's not your house or your apartment. Have you ever wondered, what is a billionaire's secret? What steps do they take to grow their wealth? I'll tell you this much. It's not blind luck. It's all about saving, protecting, and making more money, which this course will teach you. We'll talk about wills, trusts, and estate planning, and how much you should spend on a house, and how to calculate mortgage payments the easy way. This course will help you create the perfect budget, which is really helpful in managing your day-to-day life. I'll teach you how retirement accounts work and how to pay less in taxes, as well as how to protect your family and your possessions by using the right insurance products. You will learn about investing in stocks, bonds, and commodities, and how to manage risk. And this will all be done with easy and fun exercises using your personal finance Excel dashboard. This course is customized for every country and every currency in the world. No experience is necessary. The great part is, we don't do theory. Instead, you will apply practical concepts to real-world situations. I have years of experience in finance, from working at Goldman Sachs to venture capital and investment firms, including ones that I've founded. I will help you to save, protect, and make your money work for you. Please check out the student reviews to see how so many have benefited from the knowledge they've learned. And last but not least, we're going to have a lot of fun. So let's begin.